If you've been following me lately, you'll know that I have just got done doing a little bit of a stint in the hospital and I finally feel like I have my strength back. I can tell my little buddy has also been very cooped up and he is looking for an adventure. So I'm packing his bag and we are going to hit the road and we are going to go down to San Francisco, which is one of his favorite adventures. If you're interested in knowing what transport carrier I use, I'll have a link of it in the description below.
Well, with my little freak in the back seat, losing his and I figured I'd take you along with me to show you how I get there. We are about to head over to the park and ride. We'll jump on the SMART train, then we will ride it all the way down to Larkspur where we'll catch the ferry, and then we will land at the Ferry Building. So let's go.
No matter where you choose to board on the SMART train, you'll have a parking lot you can stay at, but note there's no overnight parking. You'll also have options for bike lockers if you want to store your bike there, and also a vending machine where you can buy your Clipper card. SMART train is expanding, going from Cloverdale all the way down to Larkspur, but right now you can easily jump on at Sonoma County Airport and go all the way to the end. Once you have your Clipper card, go ahead and wait for that SMART train to arrive, and then find your seat. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy a very carefree ride all the way down to Larkspur. From the SMART train, it's about a 15-minute walk down to the Ferry Building while you'll jump on the Golden Gate Ferry.
We're actually pulling away now. Plenty of seating, plenty of room to walk around outside. You got the lower deck as well. And back there you also have a bar. But another reason to take the ferry and don't skip out on it is that you get to see some amazing things along the way, such as San Quentin Prison. Some famous prisoners you may recognize on the list of prior residents at San Quentin include Danny Trejo, also Charles Manson.
And some other famous inmates you might recognize include Scott Peterson, Charles Ng, as well as Rattlesnake James. It's a very calm day on the bay, and just like the SMART train, it's just as relaxing as you can see here with Shorty taking a quick cat nap.
I'm going to give you a quick tour of the inside of the Ferry Building. I am going to keep Shorty in his backpack just so he doesn't get stepped on. He's used to coming in here. There are definitely dogs everywhere. For his safety, I'm going to keep him in the pack while I'm in the Ferry Building.
There's all kinds of stores you can find in the Ferry Building. You can find soaps, olive oils, ice creams, sourdough bowls, even specialty stores like one of my favorite mushroom stores. They even have lion's mane there, and Ube Bakery. I love this bakery, but you gotta get there early because when they're out, they're out. And then finally, my favorite hummus.
Once you get outside of the Ferry Building and you're trying to figure out where you can go, you have quite a few options. To get to Fisherman's Wharf from the Ferry Building, it's super easy. You're gonna cross the street, jump on the cable car, and just head over. Or you can even walk it as well. There's plenty to see on the piers along the way. Another option, go across the street, about 2 blocks up, you can board the Bay Area Rapid Transit, and you can disperse even further out into San Francisco. Today, we are actually going to go someplace I've never been, and that's gonna be Spaceworks Park. He's being a good boy in the carrier, but I could tell he wants to get out and exercise. I do as well. After that, we're gonna head to Chinatown and then catch the ferry back home. Apparently, Salesworks Park does not allow pets. Even though San Francisco is very pet friendly, dogs are not allowed unless they are service animals. But that's okay. And just like that, we're in Chinatown. If you're interested in taking the same route that I'm taking from the Ferry Building to Salesforce Park, you're looking at about a 10 to 15 minute walk. To Chinatown, you're looking at about a 24-minute walk. So it's all very doable. And of course, you've got cable cars, you got the scooters you can rent. You have all kinds of options to get around San Francisco. Pretty timely. If you're looking for a few things to do in Chinatown, I suggest eating. There is no shortage of places to stop and get boba teas, dim sum. This is definitely another stop if you are interested in some food, and there's all kinds of shops. So it's a nice little getaway and pocket in San Francisco. I highly recommend. And of course, I can't leave Chinatown without some stuffed pork buns. I'm gonna eat very well today. These are so good. The sweetness on the bread, but they're so soft and warm. Oh my God. To make the trip back north to Sonoma and Marin, you just do the opposite. So you catch the ferry to Larkspur, and then you walk from the ferry to the SMART train. It's about a 10-15 minute walk, and then you just jump on the train and get off wherever you need to. Thanks for joining me and Shorty on our little adventure today. If you like this, let me know and I'll take you on another adventure. Let me know if there's anything in particular in San Francisco that you want to check out. I'm pretty new here. I'm still learning where everything is, and maybe that's where we'll go next time. All right, see ya.